Are you looking for a way to boost your income with minimal effort? In this video, we explore a free platform that offers quick tasks promising high earnings. Discover the secrets to maximizing your time and effort while tapping into lucrative opportunities right at your fingertips. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your free time into cash. Watch now and start earning today. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our awesome money-making tips. We've got online earning opportunities for everyone around the world. Drop your country in the comments and we'll hook you up with videos tailored just for your region. Alright, let's dive in. Imagine earning money from the comfort of your home. It's easier than you think. With Earnweb, you can start making money online by completing simple tasks and offers. From taking surveys to testing apps, the user-friendly interface connects you to a variety of opportunities that fit your schedule and lifestyle. Earnweb is open to everyone, no matter where you are. You can sign up as a member from anywhere across the globe. At Earnweb, the path to success is paved with opportunities found within the offer walls on the site. By engaging in tasks like answering surveys, playing mobile games, installing apps, or signing up on websites, you unlock rewards that come in the form of coins. With a wide array of offers available at any moment, you have the chance to consistently earn and achieve your goals. Embrace this journey and let each completed offer bring you closer to realizing your potential. You can snag some extra rewards with Earnweb's referral program. Just share your referral link with friends or anyone you want to invite. When they click your link and sign up, they become your referral. And here's the cool part, whenever they earn, you'll score a 20% commission as a reward. You can receive your earnings cash through PayPal or crypto. You have also the option to select from a wide range of gift cards, including popular choices like Amazon, Steam, Google Play, and many others. This variety ensures you can choose the method that best suits your needs and preferences. Don't wait any longer. Sign up to Earnweb today and unlock your potential to make money online effortlessly. Start earning within minutes. Before we finish up, I'd really like to know your thoughts. Have you ever used Earnweb or any other money-making apps? How did it go for you? Leave a comment below and let us know your story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Catch you in the next one.